Let's cook around the world. Together we'll travel the world one recipe at a time. And today's recipe comes from India, Punjab to be precise, and it is Tandoori Chicken. Tandoor is a type of round clay oven which is traditionally used to bake this dish, and this is where Tandoori Chicken gets its name from. If, like me and most of the population, you don't have a tandoor, then this recipe is perfect for you. You will end up with a tasty juicy chicken that is smoky and as flavourful as if you had baked it in the traditional oven. The secret to this dish is the blend of spices. Once you get this right, then the rest is fairly simple to prepare and cook. So let me show you how to make this delicious recipe step by step. And as always, a full list of all the ingredients and quantities are available at the end of this video. Using our knife, we're going to make a couple of deep cuts into our chicken thighs. By making these cuts, we're allowing the marinade to penetrate right to the core of the chicken, rather than just on the surface. I'm using chicken thighs for this recipe, as I find them to have much more flavour and texture, and they also retain their moisture much better than a chicken breast would. Next, we're going to make our marinade. To a bowl, add the natural yogurt. Add the juice and rind of a lemon. Add the oil. Add the tandoori paste. Add the ginger and garlic paste. Next, add all the herbs and spices. Mix well until everything is thoroughly combined. Give your marinade a quick taste test and add enough salt to balance the flavours. How much will depend on you. Add your chicken and mix well. You could use a spoon, but I find using your hand is a better way to ensure every piece is fully coated in the marinade. Once fully coated, we're going to cover the bowl with cling film and rest in the fridge for up to 12 hours, minimum of 30 minutes depending on how much time you have. After 12 hours, we're going to take the chicken out of the fridge and rest it on the counter for around half an hour to allow it to come up to room temperature. Place your chicken in a foil-lined oven tray. Once all the pieces are in the tray, coat over the remainder of the marinade. Cover the tray with foil and ensure it is fully sealed. We don't want any moisture to escape. Bake in a preheated oven for around 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 360 Fahrenheit. After half an hour, remove the foil and place the chicken pieces on a grill. This will allow hot air to flow around the pieces and give it that smoky flavour we all love from tandoori chicken. Place it back in the oven for a further 30 minutes at the same temperature. As you can see, there's still quite a lot of juices left over in the bottom of the tray. Don't discard this. We'll transfer these juices into a pan and turn it into a sauce. Bring to a boil over a medium-high heat and cook until it has reduced in half. This sauce can be used to further baste the pieces or as a dip, it's your choice. And when it looks like this, your tandoori chicken is done. Serve with a wedge of lemon and some salad, or enjoy as they are. Try this for yourself. I'm sure it's going to be a big hit at any barbecue or family gatherings that you have. See you in the next video, and as my friends say in India, Maje na khao.